How to put 3 hairs on Roblox. Hello and welcome back to our channel. In this video presentation, I'll demonstrate a quick and efficient method for equipping 3 different hairstyles on Roblox. To achieve this, access the Roblox website using your computer, log into your account, and navigate to the avatar section in the menu. From there, select Head and Body, proceed to the Hair tab, and choose the desired hairstyles by clicking on them individually. It's important to remember that each hair must be equipped one at a time. Once you've selected the 3 hairstyles, check the Resend section to confirm their selection. To equip all 3 hairstyles simultaneously, right-click on any part of the page and opt to refresh the page. Repeat this process for each additional hair you wish to equip at the same time. By adhering to these instructions, you will be able to sport multiple hairs or hairstyles concurrently in the Roblox. So if you found this guide useful, please consider liking and subscribing for more helpful tips and tutorials. Thank you for tuning in, thank you for watching, and see you in the next one.